What are you doing with your bears and Ernie? Oh, did you give them to baby sister? Oh, be careful. We don't want to put things on baby sister's face. Charlie, let's just put them on her feet. You put them on her feet?
Yes.
There we go. Let's just put things on her feet. That's better. That's so nice. You are such a good brother. Oh. Are you rocking her? You're so helpful.